Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll use the built-in Windows repair options to repair errors you cannot fix in the Windows operating system. These tools are designed to automatically scan your system and fix common problems such as corrupt files, missing boot data, and failed configuration settings without reinstalling Windows or deleting your files. Step 1. Access Advanced Startup. Let's start. Firstly, we need to access the Advanced Startup menu. The easiest way to do that is to go to Settings, System, Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click the button that says Restart Now. You can also hold the Shift key and click Restart from the Start menu. Either method will take you to the recovery environment. Step 2. Open Troubleshoot menu. Once you're on the blue recovery screen, select Troubleshoot. Here, you'll see several Windows repair tools designed specifically for system recovery. Step 3. Use Startup Repair. Now select Advanced Options and then click on Startup Repair. Windows will immediately begin looking for issues that prevent the system from starting correctly. This may include missing boot configuration, startup file corruption, or recent update failures. Let the process run. It usually takes between 2 and 5 minutes. Step 4. Use System File Repair commands. This one is an optional. If Startup Repair is unable to fix the problem, click Troubleshoot Advanced Options Command Prompt. From here, you can manually run Windows repair commands. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter to scan for corrupted system files. When that's finished, run DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. This helps repair the Windows image itself. Sometimes it does not work in a virtual machine, but in a local machine itself, it always runs. Both commands are completely safe and are recommended by Microsoft as the first line of defense against system corruption. Step 5. Restart and verify. After the scans finish, close Command Prompt, click Continue, and let the PC boot normally. Check if your issue is gone. In many cases, this is all you need to repair Windows without reinstalling anything. If Windows is still not working correctly, don't give up. In the next section, we'll move to more advanced recovery options, but for most users, this built-in repair tool already fixes the issue and saves a lot of time. I hope this works out for you. If it doesn't, comment down your issue. You can also email me your issue. The address would be pinned in the comments. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Till next time, take care.